I'm in the midst. I'm in the midst of confusion. Tension rises as I ponder what tomorrow has to offer. I am wounding myself in an attempt to jump the gun, and it's killing me. The question of what will happen when the smoke clears, what's beyond the curtains. The drapes are down, hence I'm plagued with anxiety and uncertainty if I'll find solace in life's new episode. Such ambiguity gave birth to a distorted scene in my mind as the days of my life unfold. I can feel it maturing as if it's some sort of subliminal fetus that is developing as the moment of truth draws near. I can sense it intensifying as the minutes became seconds. The hands not only manipulated time, but it influenced the thoughts of my mind. All I'm thinking about is that moment. But when that moment had passed and died, I lived only to realize that it was just an illusion enhanced by my emotions. Bewilderment of Tomorrow by the Maverick.